Hi everyone, we're going over some JavaScript array function in this video, and then I'm just gonna go over the first question. We have to create a array with the name images and having this element, as you can see, and this I have already created on that one, and then getting a subtraction of first last element, calculating average, and then how we did here, like having first and last element we are getting first and last element with the filter operator, and then we're calculating average right here. And then the third, fourth question I'm just going to cover here real quick, and then this is just saying like how you can access last and first element with the filter operator. We can get the last and first element there. And then the second one is to how you can calculate average of the names per, like number of letters per name, and then separate, like, so we can go here and then go to definition, and then here we can do that, and then here we are separating them by comma, separating them by spaces, and then that's the second one. And then the third one, fourth one we already covered, and then third one is like how you can get the length of that names element length, and we're going to return the new array with the length of the elements like 5, 4, 3, also on. And the next question is to write a loop to iterate over name length array and calculate the sum of the. So it's like kind of like a connected to the previous one. We're just gonna get like all the elements and then the sum of that. So we're just calculating a sum of that, all the elements that were in names length. So same array, we're going to use the same returned array. And the next one is to write a function that you're getting 2 parameters word and n. So that means we're going to get like a function getting word and n as argument and return then to like repeat itself n number of times. Let's say like it's saying hello and 3, that means it should print hello, hello, hello 3 times. So this is how we do iterate through it. So we go over like n times and printing the same thing again and again. So the eighth one is to print the first and last name and then separated by space. So it's just like concatenating two first and last name into the one, like just getting a full name from first and last name. So this is how you can do it. It's just concatenate function, and we are concatenating space in between there. And then the next one is to write a function takes an array numbers and return true if sum of all the numbers in array is greater than 100. It's just like if it's that we're just gonna get the sum of all the numbers, and then if the sum of numbers is greater than 100, then it will give us true, otherwise it will return a false. So it's just like we iterate through all the numbers and we are adding them, and then we're getting sum, and then we're just doing if condition after that, and then that's it. And then the second one is to write a function that will take 2 arrays and then return true if the average of element first array is greater than the average of the second function. So that basically it's kind of like repeating itself. Like we're gonna calculate again average of the arrays, and then we're just gonna do additional if the average of either one is, like, if the first one is greater than the second one, then it's like saying it's greater than second array, or just to like print the message to the user to see, they will know like which one is greater. And then the third one is like write a function called will buy drink or not. Is it outside? If it's so hot outside and then we have money in the pocket, we'll buy the drink. So we're using a ternary operator right here to do that, like to get that. So it will check, is it outside, money greater than, then we'll buy drink. If not, then we wouldn't. And then the next one is just to create, I have created a calculator to prompt, and like user can enter any operator and then values, and then it will perform the operation accordingly, whatever user entered. And then that's all about this video. Thank you.